opening bidder offer. Who's got a number? Who would like to proffer an opinion? Thank you, ma'am. Good luck in your endeavours. At 800,000, we are underway. Now, someone else. She doesn't like it. Thank you. I appreciate it, but don't you be holding your breath at 825, man. You there unashamedly on behalf of Margaret at 850,000, not selling at those numbers. Easy. Sir, bid me back at 875. Any obliges? I could have been talking about that tomorrow, but at 875. 9. Thank you. At 9 at 9. 900,000 at a bid now. I chased down 925. He obliges now at 925. What about this lovely couple? No favourites, but at 925. Men 75 then, but at 950. Once at 950. Twice I needed 25. 975. Then you're gonna get back in front for $1 million? Are you waiting to see what happens? Righto, sir. Now, I'm not going to artificially run you up. That's polite. You talk amongst yourself, get to know some of the neighbours, start friendly around here. All good. Let's go, team. Proviso. We're on the market and we sell. I offer finality. You can move in here to the good life at $1 million at a bid now. Ma'am, the question is, before you had fun, now you have more fun because it's actually on the market. You should feel how exciting that is when you're bidding for ownership. But at $1 million, out she goes. Once at $1 million at a bid now. Sir, you're staring me down, which, you know, that's good. I won't take it the wrong way, but do you want to bid for $1.5 million?
No thanks.
105.
105, okay. Now $1,005,000 at a bid now. At $1.5 million, what about just a mere $1,000, guys? We'll go brick by brick if we have to. Working for Margaret, but at $1.5 million. First call, and I sell at $1.5 million.
10.
Wow! Now I didn't see you with a problem.
15.
But at 15 now. Good on you at $1.15 million. At $1.15 million, sir. First call, selling $1.15 million. Twice! Irrevocable time at $1.15 million. Going.
116.
17.
There it is. You started the single, sir. At $1.17 million. 18. 18. 19.
31.
1 million and 31 at 31. 35 puts up the quaddy at 35. Puts up the 4 at $1.42 million. You'd have to go 50.
No, I'll go 40.
43.
45.
45 at $1.45 million. She put up the 2, doubled me up at $1.045 million.
46.
46. Go 50.
47.
47 at $1.67 million.
68.
68. Year of the protest at 1068 at a bid now. Guys, would you get on 70? 69, okay. 70, that's the next rung on the ladder, but at $1,069,000. Fully fenced. 70 it is at 1070 at 1070 at $1.070 million.
71.
71 at $1.071 million. 70 obviously, but at $1.071 million. Tahi Rua Toru at $1.071 million. Guys, really appreciated your contribution. Sold to you, sir. Well done. To all my underbidders, commiserate.